Hello guys, it's your DIYer house husband here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put the cover of your hand watch back without using the hand watch presser. If you don't have that one, there's an easy way to put it back without the hand presser. So first, you need the towel to put your watch on. And of course, you need to have a flat surface and you need to have a wood or any flat surface that can handle your weight. So this is a back scratch actually. But anyway, be sure that your flat surface here is not bigger than your lock. So as you can see, this one is exactly almost the same, but the hand watch is still bigger than this wood. Okay, so why do I need to remove the cover? I did change the battery of this one, and I cannot return this one by just pressing. So I cannot, you can see, you cannot hear the click sound. So what you need to do is, of course, this one, be sure to fit the cover and then put this one, okay, and then start pressing. Don't worry, you will not break your hand watch, just put your weight on. And checking for the fitting again. Okay. If you hear that click, then you are sure that it's locked. So you check the side. If it's fitted perfectly, then that's it. So you now have a working watch. Okay. So I did remove this one. I did remove the pin so that I can easily put the wood here. But if it is connected, you can still just insert the wood and then just press it. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you guys for watching.